Hi there, welcome to our channel. So if you are in the market for a fitness tracker and looking for something new which is super affordable and feature packed, then you don't have to wait for long. Honor is going to announce their Honor Band 6 on 3rd of November. It is likely that the smartband will be launched only in China initially and then make its way to international markets. Surprisingly, even now the Honor Band 5 is still one of the best fitness tracker in the market. There is absolutely no doubt that Mi Band 4 is simply not a match for Honor Band 5. But with the recently launched Mi Band 5, there are more similarities between the two than there are differences. But with Honor Band 6, things are going to change. Before we begin though, let me make it clear that we don't know much about the Honor Band 6 yet. Whatever we have is from Honor itself, there are no external leaks. So the big news came from a post the company made on Weibo, in which it said that the wearable is a full screen bracelet. And looking at the image, it looks like the screen might be wider than the 0.95-inch display found on the Honor Band 5. And the wearable seems to ditch the circular button below the display, giving it more screen real estate. Other than the increase in size, it will most definitely use color AMOLED display as the Honor Band 5. The Honor Band 6 is also likely to stick with a silicone strap like most of the fitness trackers. It helps to keep cost lower than the metal or leather option would. The Honor Band 5 came with SpO2 sensor, a real-time heart rate monitor and sleep tracking and different exercise types, so expect all these and more to come on board Band 6. It would be interesting to see what new improvements the Honor Band 6 will bring, though one thing we want is to see the inbuilt GPS. Fitness trackers usually don't come with GPS as there is not a lot of screen to show the map, but with Honor Band 6, the display will get a little bigger, and with that they might be able to show the map and our global position. As for pricing, all we can do there is guess for now. We believe the Honor Band 6 might cost slightly more than Honor Band 5, like 500 rupees more. Let us know your thoughts on this watch, and we will keep you updated, so subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.